Hi there, welcome to back my channel. So today I will share you how we can set up first-party domain tracking through Stape.io, as well as I will also share with you how can we set up custom loader through Stape.io. So without further delay, let's get started. So you can see this is a Stape.io dashboard, and so through Stape.io we can set up server-side tracking. So I already set up a GTM container as GTM container server side GTM container. You can also create easily. So right now I am entered the GTM container. So you can see here already I implemented, and that's why this is ready. This is my domain name, and already I created subdomain. So that's why this is ready. So you can easily create subdomain. And so right now I want to show you how can we implement it, the CNAME, the host, the value on website cPanel. So if we go, like I am using Namecheap, so here I have my domain list. So you can use Bluehost, or you can use GoDaddy, this type of domain provider, domain and hosting provider. You can use that. But today I am sharing with you only cPanel because I have the access. Okay, so how we can implement it? So first party tracking. So without first party tracking, the server side tracking totally meaningless. Step normally giving us their own URL, but this is not. This is totally third party tracking, not first party tracking, and this is the first party tracking. If we implemented this type, this CPC name, the host name, the value. So how you can implemented that? So you can see some domain name. So for so if I click on the manage and the advanced, you can see here domain, products, share and transfer, and advanced DNS. So we need to click on the advanced DNS. So then we can use the a record, we can use a CNAME record. So what record we need to use here? So we need to use CNAME record, not a record. Sometimes you can see a record, but right now I can see CNAME record. So how can we add the CNAME record? And you can see here add new. Yes, add new. You can see add new. You can see here a record, this type of record. We need to find CNAME record. Yes, I can see CNAME record. Okay, and host. We need to put here the host name. Who is the host? You can see this subdomain is the host, and copy that and paste here the subdomain and target. What is the target? Target means total value. So this is the value means target. So we need to copy that. This is the value from Stape.io, and right now we can paste here. So totally done. So we need to totally done, and we can save change here. Yes, this is done. So when it's done, then we can see our domain is ready. Our total domain is ready. If I also refresh the page, so then you can see the domain is totally ready. And yes, you can see here this is adcalyx.com. But for showing you, that's why I use different domain. But you can follow the same process. I already did it for this domain. Okay. For making the video, I use this domain. I think you are clear about that. So that what we need to do. So this is the first thing we have done already. So now for the setup customer, first party tracking is okay, but but for the ad blocker, for ITP rules and regulation, so that's why we need to set up custom loader. Like if a people use ad blocker, then we can't track their user behavior, their cookie. If they use ad blocker, so and if we set up the custom loader, then we can track their data. Like a people, we are running Google Ads. A people coming from a user coming from Google Ads and visited our website and purchase our product. And if he use ad blocker, we can't track their purchase data. So this is a huge mistake if we can't this type of data. So how we can set up the custom order? And we need to go the power ups. And already I set up custom loader for my domain, for my subdomain. But you can, if you a newbie, so then you can see use here. This type of same, the same use. You can also see, you will see use. But right now I am showing you. So if I click on the configure, so then you will see same thing as a newbie. Mm, so you can put your subdomain name, you can put your GTM ID, GTM container ID. So as well as you need to put, so you, if your website is Shopify, WordPress, Magento, BigCommerce, Wix, you can choose them. But this is complicated thing. But if you click WordPress and generate, then you can't see, if you click WordPress, you can't see any code. But we can implement it with the header section. You can't see. And if you choose Shopify, and then you can't see the code. So how can we see the code? We can implement it on our website. Okay. So through passport for first party tracking. So if we need, you need to click the others. Then if you click on the generate, so then you can see, yes, then you can see a tag manager code. You can see https shop.mustafis.com. You can see here, and this is our, like, if we implement it in our website, so then, and this is the first party tracking. So how we can implement it, that just copy the code and go the website. Like, this is our website. Go the dashboard. Yes, at the first time, before going the dashboard, at the first time, I want to show you something. If we go the preview mode, yes, if we go to preview mode, yes, if you go the preview mode, you can't see, like, GTM is not founded. GTM is not connected with our website. Can you get my point? uh, we already I implemented this code in our website, but this is not working because we already set up custom loader. So that's why this is not working. This is not working, already we set up. So we need to implement this code, then GTM is working. And if I go the dashboard, yeah, and appearance theme file editor, we have to find header.php. Yes, theme header.php. Yeah, can you see, we can see this URL www.googletagmanager.com, but we need to implement it our main website URL, so then it's working. In minutes, what is the like our what is our URL? This is our URL, shop.ustabis.com. Okay, so we can copy the code and totally replace the code instead of Google Tag Manager code. And I'm going to replace the code, and you can see here shop.ustabis.com. Okay, so this code we can see here right now, an update file. And I hope so. Then we can, then our GTM will connect it. But right now this is not connected, and we can check again. I hope it will connect it. If I go a product page, yes, can you see? Finally, the GTM is connected because we use our yeah. I use this code, which code I got from Stape.io. Okay, so in this process, we can set up custom loader and first-party domain tracking. So if you like this video and want to like this type of more video, just subscribe my channel and comment here. So I will get a inspiration to create a make new video. Thank you.